Welcome, in front of me is Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to run Diagnostics on this laptop. So first you'll have to install the Lenovo Vantage application. You can find it in Microsoft Store. So open your Microsoft Store, then look up Lenovo Vantage. Open the application page, then click Get right here. The installation will start, and once the installation is complete, you'll be able to open it. So open this application, wait until it starts, and then once you see a screen like this, expand this menu by clicking right here, go to hardware scan, then wait for a while until you have the scan options available. And right now you can either start a quick scan, which will scan each component of your hardware, or you can set up a custom scan and select which components you want to be checked. I will do a quick scan, which will scan every element of the hardware. So let's wait until the scan finishes. And once the scan is finished, you'll be able to see the results here. As you can see, for me, the result is passed. So every component of my hardware passed this scan. So as you can see, you can check the details for each element of your hardware. As you can see, battery tests, battery health tests, processor test, and everything in between. And that's how you perform diagnostics on your Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.